Yeah, let me just tell you that, like, I've shared with you before that I've been following you for quite a while. I mean, we're talking years. And when I first started, it was only my offline business that I had. I actually have a lifetime membership on another platform. But when I saw this, I said, okay, I have to give it a try. So here I am. I'm giving it a try. And I like the ease that the platform and then I'm able to move through it. And the tech headaches are low.
Right.
That I love. The other thing is because I already knew your product and the fact that you started us off with one that we can try out, that really got me in as well. So there's a couple of things I'll just say. Here I am, and my husband has never ever done anything online as far as this goes, and that's why it's in his hands. So that's why, and I'm loving, but I'm letting him put it together.
And yeah, it's amazing. Like you just keep learning more about
Mm,
it and then making your marketing more
mm,
advanced as you're ready for it too.
exactly.
To know everything and get over
Yeah.
by it, you can dig deeper when you want to and where you
Right, and start small and then just keep growing and growing it as I learn more. But
yeah.
yeah, yeah.
And the developers have designed a great interface, like using
Mm,
other platforms like Kajabi and stuff like
mm,
you get just thrown right into it and I find it way
yeah. My
more
head's my head's about to blow.
I have experience with this stuff.
Yeah,
Like, oh,
yeah. So I hear you. Yeah. But I have to say this, it is so important that this space, that you've created this space for us to pop in to be able to ask those questions because I think you already know it's lonely out there. And when you're trying to put something together and the headaches that you can get that makes you just want to say, I quit. I haven't reached that point. The only point I hit was just that I knew that I wanted to grow the consulting business and I wanted to quit it for a minute there, but quitting isn't an option only because this is like my, I don't know if it's my, I don't know what to call it, but all I know is that it's my business that there is no quitting it. I can't see that. Yeah.
wonderful. And yeah,
Mm.
sometimes these sessions also become like mini therapy sessions.
Yes.
But yes, they are frustrated and the technology is new. It sounds like you probably have been used, but a lot
Mm.
of people who come to us are tiring or whatever and
Yes. Yeah.
have been experience with any of it. And it's
Yeah.
so yeah, that's one of the reasons we decided to do it because
Yeah. I really want to help.
quit. Not just
Right.
they keep paying us, but because that way they can reach their goals.
Exactly. Oh, I agree. I really want to help women around me, but the mindset part of it is just a little bit too much for me. So thank you for being there because you're helping us to see what we can do with all that knowledge and wisdom that we have. That it doesn't end just because the 9 to 5 job is coming to an end where you're retiring from it, all of that knowledge. And I think that's why I don't quit. It's because of the fact that I know I have a lot of knowledge. I know the value that I bring and I know the excitement that people get, like last week being in a room with almost 35 people and seeing the excitement of them being just remotivated to do their job in the way that they want to do it. And these were all coaches. And they work with young children, organizations that work with young children. And just to be able to be in that room to motivate them, but also see that they're saying that there isn't something out there for them to continue. And that's what keeps me going and saying, yeah, I have something to bring. Yeah.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah. Thank you. I am going to hop off and say again, thank you
Yeah.
so much for everything that you do.
Thanks for dropping by and
Oh,
keep
yeah. Definitely. All right. Soon.
talk to you
All
soon.
right. Bye bye.